Before we get to Jason, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world found its way to Maine last night. One of our digital producers got these amazing photos of the northern lights in Bodenham. Typically, the lights are only seen in high latitudes, but last night they were visible in various areas across the state and country because of a severe geomagnetic storm triggered by a number of solar flares and eruptions from the sun. And if you missed out, don't worry, the lights are supposed to be visible again tonight. And conditions were pretty great last night, but what about tonight?
Yeah, I don't want to burst everyone's bubble, but there will be more clouds, especially second half of the night.
Yep.
Okay, so it's more like a 10 to midnight. You got a smaller window tonight. Not saying you're not going to see them, but I would say earlier is better tonight versus it was all night last night. If you had the right camera. Here's the forecast tonight, 30s and 40s, and there they will be dancing. Look up in the sky, 30s, 40s. It's going to be chilly again. You got the coat out. There go the northern lights, and then the clouds are going to roll in after midnight here. So northern lights part 2 tonight. More clouds than sun for Mother's Day. And the week starts decent, mild. The rain does return to the forecast. Here we go, northern lights, the forecast officially from NOAA, and it is going to be a level 8 severe G5 geomagnetic storm. So this is Sunday, more towards the overnight, but yes, Sunday morning technically here. As you see here, that's a KP around 7, 8 to 9 where we're going to be. Not probably as far as Tallahassee in Florida where they saw them last night, but it's still very nice here in Maine. Now the reason we're going to see these lights, okay? You've got the sun, you've got the solar wind, you got a little storm coming out of the sun, right? It hits this magnetic field that protects us, kind of like a shield around Earth. And what happens is around the poles, North Pole and South Pole, is where that magnetic field is weakest. That is where all of that energy from the sun starts to be seen. It's visible. The North Pole, it's where you look north and you look south, okay? So those particles are going to wrap in here to the North Pole and the South Pole. And you will see those lights, especially if you have the right camera. With the naked eye, it's not as great for the most part. It depends who you are, where you are, and how much light pollution, but you can still see it. But for my experience last night, I did not see them as brilliantly as with the iPhone or the smartphone. Temperatures currently, onshore flow, 50s going on right now. Very uniform for the temperatures because of the wind coming in off the ocean. We have satellite and radar picture, which is just going to fade away those showers. Cloud cover here still going on. I expect that cloud cover as we get through tonight to fade away in the evening, okay? And then by midnight, watch the clouds come up from the south. So we've got a small window where you can see the northern lights if you've got the right camera and you're outside and you're watching it. But then the clouds roll in, okay? So into Mother's Day, notice here, clouds will be around, some showers, not going to be an all-day washout. You can still take mom out for brunch, no problem. For the Mariners, wind north, going to south, 5 knots tomorrow. Here's the forecast on Mother's Day. 61 is not bad, certainly more clouds than sun. We're in the 60s and even 70 popping up by Friday. Friday, pick of the week. I'd call it right now because it's going to be warmer than Monday, but Monday doesn't look bad either. And I want to stress, tomorrow is not a terrible day, but it's certainly not a home run. It's not as bad as Wednesday, though. It's probably rain all day Wednesday.
Okay, good to know. Thanks, Jason.